Students, Class 12, Human Geography, Chapter 2. Today's topic is migration. Migration is the movement of people from one place to another. Place of origin is the place from where people are moving out. Place of destination is the place where people are moving in. That means they are coming to that place. Migration can be permanent, temporary, or seasonal. Permanent movement takes place when people are living a state or a country permanently and they are settling down into some other country or state. Temporary movement often takes place when we move out for education or job purpose and again come back to our place of origin after a certain period of time. Seasonal movement is seen among the nomadic herders and the people living in harsh climatic conditions. Now, there is another typology of migration, that is rural to rural, village to village, rural to urban, village to city, urban to urban, city to city, urban to urban, city to city. Now, immigration. Immigration is moving in of people into a new place, and emigration is the moving out of people from a place. There are certain factors that are leading to the migration of people. All those factors which are favorable and which are attracting people to a place are known as pull factors, and the factors which are not favorable and that are pushing people out of a place are called push factors. Some of the push factors include unemployment. People may move out of a place when there is no scope of employment. Poor living conditions. Obviously, when living conditions are not good, people move out of that place. Political turmoil, political disturbance, and political instability may also lead to out migration of people. Unpleasant climate. In those places where climate is not favorable, very harsh, or so much of rainfall, or extreme temperature, or extreme type of climate is available, people also tend to move out of that place. Natural disasters such as volcanic activity, tsunami, cyclone, earthquake, these are also important push factors. This may lead to out migration of people. Epidemics. When there is a large scale spread out of or breakout of disease, people tend to move out of that place. Socioeconomic backwardness. When an area suffers from no improvement in social and economic conditions, there large scale emigration takes place. People tend to, well educated people and job seekers tend to move out of that place because of the backwardness of social and economic conditions. Now, pull factors always provide some incentive or some attraction to the people, and we see a large scale influx of people from outside area. Some of the pull factors include more attractive job opportunity is always the one of the important factors for immigration. So many people from India move to US in search of job opportunities. Good living conditions. In the modern lifestyle, good living conditions are very essential prerequisite, and people may also leave a place and move to certain other areas where good living conditions are available. Peace and stability is another important factor for in migration or immigration of people. When there is situation is very peaceful and stable, people love to live in those places for a longer period of time. Security of life. When the law and order and system are working properly and there is a security of life, people love to live in those places. Pleasant climate is another important factor, and we see that around the world there is a large concentration of people in the coastal mild areas, and therefore those areas have grown exponentially. Government policies also offer sometimes incentives for people to concentrate in certain places, and that also works as a pull factor.